Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel and happy Thanksgiving. I'm that doll guy, and right now you'll find me at my place of employment, the psychosocial rehabilitation program that I run. It's a clubhouse, a mental health program that is contracted by a local mental health authority. Anyway, so I'm here and I'm actually doing my Thanksgiving dinner here because our kitchen is so much better than mine at home. So I'm waiting for my turkey to roast, and I got a late start today. And I also forgot celery for my stuffing. So I decided while I was out and about, I would look, of course, at the Barbies and the toys and see what's kind of going on Thanksgiving Day, the day before Black Friday. And so I happened upon this Barbie in the Barbie aisle. And I thought, you know what? It was like $19.99. Meijer stores are only here in Michigan, maybe some other state, but I'm sure the scale could be found somewhere. And I don't do much Barbie like I used to, not the new stuff. I not Fashionistas so much, but this scale stood up in my mind, and I thought, you know what? While I'm here, I'm gonna grab her and while I'm waiting for my turkey, do a quick unboxing and review. I don't even know what you call this gal. I don't know if you call her like a fashionista, or is she just like a fashion pack, or is she like a deluxe set? I don't know what you call this girl, but when I was going through, I really fell in love with her face. Look how pretty it is. Nice blue eyeshadow, pink glossy lips. She's got the toothy smile, which it's okay. She has the big beautiful hair, and I thought, you know what, let's take her out of the box while we're waiting for our turkeys. We got a couple hours, and I got a bunch of other stuff to do before I have dinner for my family. But I just want to kind of just stop in. I'm holding my phone the wrong way, so it's not going to be landscape. It's going to be portrait once we load this baby onto my channel. So here's the back of the box. It's pretty nondescript. It's not about the doll. It's just a little spot the 5 differences that you see in this picture. So it's like a little game. Like, what kid, or even any adult really, but what kid is gonna sit here and do this game when they're gonna be just all they're gonna want to care about is getting this Barbie out the box and dressing her. So we can see by the shoes already she's gonna be flat-footed, but I used to not be a rebodying kind because I didn't want to turn an $8 doll into like a $20-some doll. But since then I've sold all my Fashionistas. I wish I would have kept some now that I'm about rebodying, because I changed my perspective on that. I really am okay with rebodying. Before, my thing was like, oh, work within the parameters of how the doll was created and blah, 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 and just kind of maintain its original integrity. Well, I have kind of grown up a little bit since then, and I just want dolls that can pose and move, especially since I got interested in the Lux dolls that are on made to move bodies, and the Barbie style dolls, and the Barbie extra, which are on articulated. So ever since I got into those and sold off all my 5 points of articulated Fashionistas, I'm kind of going back to wanting I wish I would have maybe saved some and just rebodied, but because that's expensive, I'm keeping that to an absolute minimum, and I'm just now sticking with mostly buying articulated Barbies and Kens and stuff like that, unless something grabs me, then I would invest in a new body. And look at her face. She's definitely worth the investment. So I'm going to try to crack her open. I'm only using my iPhone as always, because I'm just one of those like not great YouTubers. And so we're going to crack her out of the box, see what she looks like out of the box. And I was going to do an intro showing me doing the intro, but you'll see I included some blooper clips at the end of this video, so y'all see why I'm just not about that showing myself. I'm not good at being a YouTuber, and so I just had a little bit of fun with some clips, like what would I do if I was like a YouTuber, like if I was like some of the YouTubers that I have seen, and if I did their style, how that look. It's awful, but you'll see if you just hang around to the end of this video. You'll see my little blooper reels and the outtakes and things, and oh Lord. But also, when we look at this girl, I'm gonna try to figure out, I'm not too great with matching articulated made to move bodies with like these dolls as far as skin tone, so maybe y'all can help me with a little advice as to what you think, which made to move body would work best with this gal's complexion. So let me just kind of pause for a minute. We'll come back with her at least out of the box. And we are back. Our stuff's unboxed. Welcome back to segment 2 of this video. So we can see her like not behind her cellophane window. She has a little bit of dust on her, but look how bright and colorful that face is. That lip has just like a little bit of gloss to it. Her eyebrows are beautiful. There's just some specks of dust on there. Bright blue eyeshadow. Sometimes bright colors like this are not everybody's cup of tea, but it's definitely mine. She has this metallic mini dress, a peach satchel, purse, bag. I don't know what the hell that is. Flat feet, which are always kind of, ugh, they're just awful. The shoes never look good on them. The shoes are never pretty. They're not pretty shoes. I feel like if you just gave all these gals high heels and just modified the shoe to look like a flat shoe, then that's would be better. But I'm imagining this girl with like big hoops in and jewelry and just really accessorized. Excuse me, definitely. Oh, she got some box here, but that's okay. Ooh. Excuse me. Anyway, but she'll be great rebodied on me to move. She's gonna be she'll fit in really well with my looks dolls as part of my Malibu Models Inc. Thing that I do with my photography and Instagram. Anyway, so just to let you guys know, this packaging, it was really easy to get the stuff out because there was not a million jiggers holding her in place. There are 2 jiggers holding her head in there. So if the first thing I would do is just take those out first, and then she's held in with just little elastic bands. All the clothes were held in by just those cardboard things, so you don't have those little holes that the jiggers leave enclosed. I wish Mattel would do that with all their packaging. Who needs more plastic when they could just do tabs on the cardboard backing like this? They should do that for all their products, I'm just saying. So the fashions themselves, and let's just back up. So for $19.99, I feel like you're getting a really good value. I mean, if you want to you could use this, like if you didn't tear it up like I did, you could probably use it for like a little backer for maybe, I don't know, photos. But for $19.99, you get, I feel like a large amount of stuff, like a good amount of stuff. If you're buying for a child, they would be entertained with this for the longest time. You would definitely get your $19.99 value just by keeping a kid like occupied for a while. That's worth its weight in gold if you're a parent. That face captivates me. I think it's beautiful. The clothing is pretty uninspired. I mean, I guess, people might think the stuff is interesting. This dual, oops, I have it backwards. This dual kind of floral fabric. I don't know, it's okay. This is cute. I'm colorblind, so it looks gray and black. I wish it maybe were white and black just to have a brightness, like to look like zebra or white leopard. I don't know what the hell pattern that is, but anyway. And then this is like one of those ugly shirt dresses that they keep making dolls wear, which are just horrible. So there's that. So the clothes, kids are not gonna mind. They're gonna be like, this is cool, whatever. But I like this dress is okay. I just wish it were bright white with those spots and just really be a pop-in. That would be kind of cool. And this, I don't know. Like, it reminds me of something like, there's that, the Pioneer Woman, Mattel. Don't send me hate mail. I think she's, whatever. But Mattel collabed with the Pioneer Woman or that Country Woman or whatever, and they did some culinary themed dolls last year. And of course, they were on the clearance aisles for within minutes. Wasn't that great? I like this iridescent clutch. It captures different colors when you in the light, and I think translucent pieces are always just kind of cool. Always like them. This just looks like a canteen to me. It probably is a canteen that they probably just made look like a purse. I don't know. And that's okay. That's pretty. The colors just, I don't know. Like some of the color choices aren't the best, but again, kids don't care. What I do like are these sunglasses. You'll see these, they're the nostalgic, almost 1959 cat eye kind of shades that you'll see. Like, they'll have the white edge along here and then the darker lens. But here you have the full black treatment, and I really like that. And these are very shiny. Not scratched at all. I mean, I've seen some sunglasses come out of the box looking like, ugh. But these look really nice. And then these shoes are cute. Like we've seen we've seen all these before. Like even these are pretty much just, you know, a different color. Well, no, I guess they are different. But we've seen these before. They've put these as gold sandals in like little shoe packs. This came on that little petite cat girl. They look like orthopedic shoes to me. Not, no, not the prettiest. And that's just, you know, the flat feet shoe choices just are not interesting. They're just not interesting. I do like the color of these little tennis shoes. And I like the high heel. People say they remind them of the Spice Girls, but even Spice Girls boots and shoes are kind of cuter than these. They're a little bit higher. But anyway, so I'm just kind of rambling on. I'm more about this doll than the clothes, and I can't wait to get her rebodied. Like I said, I'm in Michigan. I found her at a Meijer store. I have not seen her at any Walmarts. I don't know if she's on Amazon. It's one of those packs where you might almost see like sometimes at a Family Dollar or like a Big Lots. Like you might find these at like a Big Lots. I've seen these at Big Lots, and sometimes I've only seen them at Big Lots and not at any other retailer. So I don't know like what you call this set, if it's like a deluxe set, a fashion pack, a fashionista fashion pack. I don't know what you call this, but I do know that I have not bought like a Barbie fashionista. The last Barbie fashionista I bought was the crimped, blue-haired, pale rainbow girl, rainbow top and black skirt. She had like the hip slung kind of belt, and I rebodied her on the purple top Asian made to move body. It was a perfect match. Just FYI if you want to rebody her. But anyway, so, and prior to her I had not bought. I just avoid the fashionistas, you know, just they have quality issues, and I can't get that fashionista addiction again that I had because I just don't have the space, so I just try to avoid it. But I will buy a cute little doll if she speaks to me. This one definitely does. I think she's adorable. I even, you know, my boyfriend, he's waiting for me to call him and say, hey, whenever dinner's ready, like I'm going to tote it on home hot. Just because, you know, again, like my kitchen at home is small, my kitchen at work is huge. I got all the stuff I need because we have a commercial kitchen here where I work, even though I work in a mental health program. It's a long story. Maybe I'll tell you. I'm sure I've mentioned what I do in previous videos and how psychosocial rehabilitation clubhouses work and why the physical space is set up the way it is. But anyway, so we can always talk more about that later. But this is about the doll, and I think she's cute. I don't know what else to say. You guys have a great Thanksgiving, and I'm gonna wait for another 3 hours for my turkey. I'll probably find stuff to do in the meantime, maybe some work I'm behind on while I'm here. We obviously don't have any clients today. It's just, you know, my staff's not here. It's just me, myself, and I. This is just a part of our building. This is just the culinary unit. Maybe someday I'll take you on a virtual tour of my office or my clubhouse that I run, so you'll see the whole thing, because it's a 4,000 square foot building, and this is just a very small part of it. We work with mental health clients who usually fill the space when it's time to have dinner and stuff, and it's interesting, it's fun, it's a fun job. Pay is terrible, but what you gonna do? Anyway, so I'm rambling, just taking up time and space because I just don't want to go back to sitting waiting for a turkey to cook. But anyway, if you guys, you know, share your comments, what you think of this gal. And have you seen her out in the wild yourselves? And if so, where? And we'll see you later. Oh gosh. Just check out, stay till the end and check out my clips I'm adding. I'm almost embarrassed to do it, but sometimes you gotta just, you know, not worry about stuff and just don't freak the small things. So anyway, we'll talk to you later. We'll see you soon. Enjoy your Thanksgiving. Be safe and enjoy your family and friends. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm that doll guy and it's Thanksgiving. Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm that doll guy. It is Thanksgiving and we are getting ready to roast some turkeys. Hey everybody, happy Thanksgiving.